This is the day we cover the bases with Pudge Rodriguez. Debbie Taylor will talk to Pudge in just a moment about some of the things in his great career. But one thing he was asked, how's the game changed from when he first came up to the major leagues in '91 with the Texas Rangers to now?
When I came up, I grew up with a lot of veteran, players, Julio Franco, Nolan Ryan, Bobby Witt, all those guys that teach me to play this game, and I just feel very, lucky and happy to be able to play in that era, with a lot of veteran guys that they sit down with the young kids and teach how to play the game. So I feel very, very nice about that.
Who are some of your mentors becoming a catcher in the game?
Well, my mentor when I came up back in '91 was, the catcher that we have at that time, Petrali, Jack Cruz, and Mike Stanley. All those guys teach me a lot to play this, to play the game, to learn the pitching staff, and plus, and then I was, sit down with Nolan, Jose Guzman, Bobby Witt, all those guys, they already, pitched with the Rangers back in those days for a long time. So, it was nice to listen to them and sit down with them and share with me my experience as a veteran catcher, and I'm just very proud and happy to learn from those guys.
How do you think you've revolutionized catching? It seems like when you came up, you really put a new spin on it, bringing the offense along with the catching duties.
Yeah, I mean, my main thing for me in my whole career is defense. I just want to keep my defense there every single day, blocking balls, throwing balls, calling good games, make my starting pitches pitching, a complete game every single night. My offense comes with my work. When I came up to the big league, I came up because my defense, my good arm, and my blocking and receiving the ball. And then, I just keep working in my offense, and I'm becoming a good hitter. Basically, my hitting is, like very simple. Don't try to do too much. Just try to put the bat in the ball and make everything happen. So that's how I played this game for such a long time. I'm not going to change.
Would you ever want to manage?
Well, it's something that you never know. I'm not say yes, I'm not say no, but that's something that when you play so many years, organization wants those things to happen. But I just let the time go and see what happens later on.
How long do you want to play, and do you want to finish your career here in DC?
Well, I still a lot left on me. I still plenty years on me. I feel great physically and mentally. I still love what I do. This game, is good for me, and I would love to finish my career here. This is a great place, great fans, great city, great organization. But again, I still have a lot of baseball left for me. I got some goals that I have on me that I want to accomplish, and I just want to keep working hard physically and mentally to get those goals.